Okay, here we go. Now, today's homework's probably a little bit easier than yesterday. All right, let me just get started. I don't want to waste your time. All right, so let's see. I'm reading, okay? Alan has just gotten a new job. The relationship between the number of hours he works, X, and his total earnings, Y, is represented below. Point 0.8 over 8 comma 20 is labeled below, which statement about the graph is true. Okay, so now this one, we don't really need to make the screen any bigger because they gave you the point to look at. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to grab my calculator. All right. So basically, in 8 hours, Alan gets $120. So I want to know how much it is per hour, right? So I can do 120 divided by 8. I'm doing this on the calculator right now. Okay. Even though it's backwards. Again, 120 divided by 8. What's that? 15. So what's 15 what? What do you think it is? Yeah, $15 per hour. Okay. The unit rate is $15 per hour. So I submit, and that's it. Okay, so you're gonna do three of those. All right. Now let's go back to this from yesterday. All right, let's see. Okay, all right. Now let's see again. Because I think these are really important for you to be able for two reasons. One is you can read the graph correctly, and two is make the correct interpretation of the graph. All right. So having said that, let's see. Okay, all right. Let's see. Find the equation. Okay, so they just want to know the equation, which means we need to know the unit rate, which is the same thing as k, which is the constant of proportionality. Got that? All those three things, they're all the same thing. Okay. All right. Let's see. Now, again, I need to make this. Let's make this a little bigger because I want to make sure you guys can see what I'm seeing on the screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow this. Maybe it's better if I use a pen and just shade it in. Do I have a highlighter? Highlighters? I don't have highlighters. That's messed up. All right. So let me use yellow then, all right, as a highlighter. So I'm going to follow this line. All right. You see what I'm doing? I'm following. So what I'm looking for, I'm looking for that line, this black line here, that touches where the two boxes intersect, right? So that's what I'm looking at. So I'm just going to keep following because I haven't found it yet. Going. Oh, all right. It's coming up. It's right here. You see that, right? Crosses the point. Okay. So let me write out the point then. Can you guys see what the point is? Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over to the right and 5 up. 6 comma 5. Okay. Now, what does that mean? We need the equation, right? Uh-oh. That's not a whole number, is it? Because x is 6, y is 5. So it's 5, 6. So the unit rate is 5, 6. Okay. I just want to see what. So k is 5 over 6. What does that mean? Right? I think that means our answer is going to be a fraction. That's what that means. Let's zoom out a little bit. All right. Now I wonder if they can just take a 5 over 6 like that. Oh, nice. Now, how do I put an x there? Nope, you can't do that, guys. So, okay, one more time, all right? Though I think putting the answer in is trickier than the actual answer. So 5 slash 6, right? Now, if you press X immediately, 6X is at the bottom. So you don't want that. So what I'm going to try to do is try it again. 5 over 6, and I'm going to press space bar and then put the X in there. Got that? All right. If I have the time to edit it, I'll put the steps on the screen, but I doubt it actually because I don't have that much time right now. So let's see. All right, I'm really fingers crossed, really hoping this will be right. Is it right? Yeah. All right. Okay. So that's how you do these. Okay. All right. I'm going to sign off here. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Bye now.
OMG, that was so good.